5 effective strategies to rise above the noise in communication. 1. Focus on clarity by using simple language that conveys your message directly. 2. Practice active listening to understand others and respond thoughtfully in conversations. 3. Incorporate storytelling techniques to make your points relatable and memorable. 4. Expand your vocabulary gradually, using new words in context to enhance your expression. 5. Engage in discussions regularly to boost confidence and refine your communication skills. Subscribe for more tips on effective communication.